Hey, what's going on guys? Kelechi here and welcome to today's movie. In today's movie we have an actor and we have a bad man, the Tecno Camon 15 and Samsung Galaxy A71. So which one is the actor and which one is the bad man? We're going to find out in the movie. Or better still, if you want me to tell you, please click the subscribe button so you can hit 2,000 subs very fast. Thank you for subscribing. And also don't forget to turn the bell icon for massive updates from this channel. Do enjoy the movie and at the end please drop a comment below. Let's discuss. So without further ado, let's go in.
I deserve to know the truth. How come you left me, you left me, you left me, you left me alone in the dark?
So a good way to start the comparison is first of all, get the background details out of the way. Both smartphones, the A71 and the Camon 15 are 2020 devices. The A71 came first. It is a successor to last year's A70. Amongst the A series of Samsung, the A71 stands up tall as the best mid-range phone from the brand. A very impressive device that weighs 179 grams at the mid-range price of 131,000 in Naira or $340. The Camon 15 is the latest camera phone from Tecno, a decent looking smartphone amongst the Camon series. This phone succeeds the Camon 12 of last year, with very significant and interesting features that makes it stand out. It weighs 196 grams, heavier than the A71. And available at a very good price tag of 68,000 Naira or $175. When it comes to design, both smartphones are very good looking. The Camon 15 design is completely different from all the Camon series. The finish is gradient, making it a irresistible and also eye-catchy design. I really love the fascinating purple color option. Thanks to Tecno for bringing this my way. The A71 feels really premium, pleasure to hold and not slippery. It looks very striking with the thin stripes running from the top. When light hits the back panel, it creates a beautiful rainbowish pattern across the stripes. I have the prism cross blue color option, and looking at it, it is so inviting and desiring. Both of them are plastic build. Their design is modern and trendy. They both have the camera bumps at the back, which is the key selling point of both smartphones. A quad camera layout on the A71 and also on the Camon 15. Other physical features include a USB Type-C on the A71, and the micro USB is what the Camon 15 comes with. A single firing speaker, a noise cancelling mic, and a 3.5mm headphone jack is available on both smartphones. A capacitive fingerprint scanner on the Camon 15, and in-display fingerprint on the A71. They both have a dual nano SIM card support and also a micro SD card expansion slot, and they both support 4G. On the Samsung A71, there is a punch-hole cutout for its selfie camera. The Camon 15 also have a punch-hole cutout as well. The A71 is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with 2400 by 1080p pixels resolution. The Camon 15 is a 6.55-inch IPS LCD panel with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution. The A71 display has 16 million colors, 393 pixels per inch density and a Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection. The Camon 15 also has 16 million colors, 268 pixels per inch density and 84.3% screen to body ratio. On the Camon 15, it is an HD Plus display and color reproduction is very responsive. The A71 has all the AMOLED awesomeness present. They both have good viewing angles. YouTube videos are limited to 720 on the Camon 15, and you have the 1080p and 720p options available on the A71. This is because of the difference in the screen resolution, 1600 on the Camon 15 and 2340 on the A71. The camera cutouts on both smartphones do not interfere your viewing experience. They both give a cinematic feel, thanks to the smaller bezels available on both devices. In the display settings, you can adjust the brightness level to your desired choice. There is also eye care that makes reading and looking at the screen safe not to affect the eye. On the A71, it is called Blue Filter, so you can turn it on and adjust the levels. They also support the dark mode feature. Another major feature is the smart panel available on both devices. Thanks to the iOS 6.0 skin on the Camon 15 and the One UI 2 on the A71. One thing I want to point out here that would make a whole lot of sense in this comparison is that the Camon 15 is a great performer in the budget segment. Although the A71 is pretty fast, the Camon 15 does not show laggings in any way. Gaming and multitasking is relatively smooth on the Camon 15. The A71 comes with a 6GB of RAM, The Camon 15 is 4GB RAM powered. Both of them support gaming very well. But the A71 takes the leading role with Adreno 618 GPU over the PowerVR GE8320 of the Camon 15. The A71 is Snapdragon 730 octa-core chip. The Camon 15 is Helio P35 octa-core chip. So here's the difference. The A71 is a mid-range performer with 4500 mAh battery that supports fast charge, and the Camon 15 in the budget segment comes with a big 5000 mAh battery at a good price tag. Android version 10 is also available on both devices. So moving on to the camera side, normally you would expect the Samsung A71 to be the preferred over the Tecno Camon 15, and also the 64 megapixel of the A71 over the 48 megapixel of the Camon 15. Well, let's see what they both offer. The A71 is a quad camera combination of 64 megapixel as the main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel depth, and 5 megapixel macro camera. On the Camon 15 is a 48 megapixel main lens that is also ultra clear and AI scene detection, 2 megapixel secondary lens, a 2 megapixel micro, and a QVGA lens. Here's the trick. Daylight shots come out with plenty of details, and you can easily point out colors. The A71, I must say, is really good. The colors are vibrant and so produced. The Camon 15 image is a bit saturated, making the object more colored. There is more of red in the Camon 15 shot than the A71. Wide angle looks so good on the A71. On the Camon 15, it's a bit noisy. The major difference here is that the A71 produces accurate colors. The Camon 15, being camera-centric, produces good images as well, but sometimes loses focus at some point. They both shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. The poncho camera is a 32 megapixel for the A71 and 16 megapixel for the Camon 15. They also shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames. The Camon 15 is good, but it tends to lose focus a bit, and there are overblown bright areas in the image. The A71 is steady and maintains the color reproduction. So what are your thoughts? These smartphones are obviously a good choice, despite their price difference, both in the mid-range and in the budget category. The Camon 15 is not less performed to the Samsung A71. Super AMOLED on the A71 and IPS LCD on the Camon 15 is not so much of a letdown. Their displays are massive and good enough to consume media content. They are very good smartphones and highly recommendable. But at this price point, it's all about your wallet and budget. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and a like, and also share to help someone make a purchase decision, and consider subscribing to my channel. It is massively appreciated. My name is Kelechi Oka, and I will see you in the next video.